In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Constant Contact account. If you're taking a break from campaigns or tightening up your budget, pausing can help you hold your place without fully canceling. I'll walk you through what to click, what to look for, and what to expect while your account is on hold. Start by logging in to your Constant Contact account. Use your usual credentials and complete any security prompts. Once you're on the dashboard, give yourself a moment to make sure everything has loaded and you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Next, head to your billing or account settings. This is typically found under a profile icon or gear icon, often in the upper right corner or in a left-hand menu. You may see labels like billing, account, my account, or account settings. Any of those will work. The goal is to reach the area where your subscription and payment details live. Inside that section, look for wording related to your account, status, plan options, or a button that mentions pausing. The exact language can vary, so keep an eye out for terms like pause account, temporary hold, or manage plan. If there's a dedicated plan or subscription page, open it and scan for controls that manage the state of your account. When you find the pause or temporary hold option, select it. This may open a page or pop-up that outlines what will change while your account is paused. Take your time here. This screen usually summarizes the most important details and may ask you to confirm your choice. Before you finalize anything, carefully review the features and billing changes that apply during the pause. Confirm whether billing stops entirely or switches to a reduced rate. And note any time limits for the hold. Check which features are disabled. Sending campaigns, automations, and scheduled emails are often paused, while access to your account, lists, and reports may remain available for reference. If the page shows a resume date or explains how and when billing restarts, make a note of it. Once everything looks good, confirm the pause. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and you may also receive a confirmation email. Keep that for your records. Saving a quick screenshot or downloading the message is a good idea. Jot down the date you paused and any scheduled resume date so there are no surprises later. That's it. You've paused your Constant Contact account while keeping your setup intact, and you're ready to return when the time is right.